to start with an 8-inch, a 90-degree angle, and a 3 1/4, 3-inch, pipe. And we're going to make it like this. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. And put them together. Now we're going to put the 90 on that one, and a 90 and a 3-inch on that one. And put the 3-inch there. And now we're going to grab the 3 T's, put the 3 1/4, a T, grab the other 3 1/4, and the T. Now we're going to grab this side, stretch it out, put it together. This side, put it together. Make sure it's level. Take some removing. Then you take the 1-inch piece, stick it in the top, right there. Then you take a cap, put a drill a hole through it, put a 1/4 bolt in the cap, lock washer, 1/4 nut, and twist it on. And there it is. And now we'll go to a view so we can see it up on top. Give me a moment. Okay, now we got it built. You can set it up on here. And the reason I did this so I can move it out of the way when I need it. And put it there. And then you just screw your camera on it. We'll show you what it looks like with the camera mounted on it, looking down at the table. I'm sorry about that. There is still another piece. You need another T, another inch piece of pipe, and a 3-inch piece of pipe. Let's get to the overhead view. Now you see I got the camera mounted overhead. I can slide it to change it. You would have different focal lengths on this lens, but so if you needed to do something, to do overhead projects, if you want to record so people can't see you and that. So here's my project. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, enjoy it, leave a comment what I need to do to improve my videos. Bye.